check, 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 sound check. Say what? I'm so tired of being here. Pressed by all my childish fears. And if we have to live, I wish that you would just leave. Your presence still lingers here, and it won't leave me alone. This wound won't seem to heal. This pain is just too real. There's just too much this time, but not erase. You cried, I'd wipe away all of your tears. You screamed, I'd hide away all of your fears. I held your hand through all of these years. You still have all me. You should have forgiven me. I yesterday life. Now I'm bound by your life you left behind. Your face is haunts my once pleasant dreams. Your voice shakes away all sanity leaves. This voice won't seem to hear.